In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop notifications on YouCam Perfect photo editor app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and find your app and then long press on it. By long pressing on it, you'll open these three options. Go ahead and choose App Info from your phone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the App Info page, scroll down to the section called Permissions, and under Permissions, look for Notifications section. Now, if I tap on notifications, you can see we have all these types of notifications turned on. Among them is permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen, as well as floating notifications. So this is the reason why you have been receiving these notifications. To stop them, instead of turning off one by one, just go ahead and toggle off show notifications on top here, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. And from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any alerts from this app unless you go ahead and turn them on. So that's how you can permanently stop YouCam Perfect photo editor notifications on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.